In this video, I will teach you how to create an ad account in Meta Business Manager. So first thing you need to do is to go to the website of Meta Business Manager on your browser. It can maintain control, security, and privacy of your Facebook and Instagram assets by managing your Meta Business account. So if you don't have a Meta Business account yet, you can create an account by clicking on Start Now and following the prompts to sign up. But if you already have one, you can just log in by clicking on this specific icon. Now once you're logged in, you will be able to see on this left corner the Add Account settings. You just have to click on that. It will automatically redirect you to the Add Account settings. And to set up your ad account, all you have to do is to click on this Go to Business Settings and redirect you to that. This will open the main dashboard where you can manage everything related to your business, including ad accounts. So inside this business setting, you can look for accounts and ad accounts right here on the left sidebar. This is where all your ad accounts are listed. And to add a new one, all you have to do is to click on this add button right here or this add button on the upper right corner. You have to click on that. And it will give you three options: to create a new ad account, add an existing one, or request access to an ad account. You just have to click on create a new ad account and give your ad account a name, choose a time zone, and the currency to connect into your business. Let's say right here, and then just hit on next. You just have to choose where this ad account will be used for. It can be your business or another business or client. So let's say right here and hit on next. So this ad account will be created and added to your Facebook account business portfolio. So once added, you can't really remove the ad account from the business portfolio that you have. And once you have really thought this through, all you have to do is to click on this I agree to the terms and conditions and then click on create ad account. So that's all there is today. Hope we help.